Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me. If you are new to this channel, my name is Tando and I'm currently in the process of redecorating my home. It's frustrating, it's taking a while, but we are getting there. In today's video, I just want to share with you guys some decor tips and hacks. If you are renting, of course. I am also renting at the moment and it's really frustrating to have a really nice space but not make it your own. So if you know what I'm talking about, stay tuned guys, because I'll share with you some of the things that you need in your space if you are renting that can make your space really look nice and set it out from the rest. So stay tuned guys, let's get to the video. So the first renter-friendly decor idea is have side tables guys. As you can see, these are the 3 different side tables I have in my home, and these are excellent because I can use them anywhere in my home. Sitting room, dining room, bedroom, office, anyway guys, this is really amazing. So I'm just gonna share this one I got at Mr. Price Home for 250, and it's a butler's tray, so you can just take it out and use this tray as it is. So it's really resourceful and I can use it in different rooms at any time. So this is really nice. The second one, it's a side table, it doesn't come off. I got this when it was just wood. It was brown, both of them were brown, and I refurbished them. So I painted them, and then at a later stage I added this marble contract paper, which has made these tables look really amazing. These 3 tables are different in length. As you can see, they are slightly different in length. This one is round, but you can see that I can actually use all of these 3 tables as side tables anywhere in the bedrooms and anywhere in the living room. The next tip guys, it has to do with these tables as well, and that is adding some color. Adding some color is a quick way to make your furniture new again, because basically, as I said, I bought these tables. They were just wood and I painted them white, and I put some marble paper on top, and I can still have an option to paint them again because I wanted to DIY this round one. Maybe paint it black, maybe paint the legs black, I'm not really sure, but you can play around with these tables. And the nicest thing about it is that they're not mounted on any wall. You can take it with you when you leave that apartment, getting a new place or whatsoever. And they're really flexible. So these so basically, like this one, you can fold it, you can fold this one, you can't fold that one. So these are really affordable because I got this one when it was just wood. I got it for 150. I also got this one for like 150 or 200 rands. So they were really affordable. So the second tip, you guys, is to use trays. Trays are very nice. They make your house look really amazing as well. As you can see, I've set up different trays for different places. You can use them in the kitchen, living room, dining room, bathroom, you can name it. Anywhere you want to put a tray on top of your bed, you can see how it's set up right now. So the nice thing about trays is that it kills clutter. So you can put different things together in one space, and that's really helpful for reducing clutter in your home. Got this at Sheet Street for about 50 rand, 49 rand 99, and yeah, I got this at China Mall for 30 bucks. So this was 30 bucks. So you can see, guys, this is not splurging on decor items. It's actually thinking about what I need and how it can help me in my house, and put different items all together in one tray and make it look good. So for instance, in the kitchen you can decide to put your coffee, sugar and tea containers in a tray, and then put it there, and then it's going to look more put together. You know, in your bedroom, in your bathroom, you can also use a tray, put towels on top. So that's really it reduces a lot of clutter, and it makes your space really aesthetically pleasing. So that's tip number 2. Tip number 3 is to have pillows, scatter cushions, pillows. This is a really nice idea because pillows give a nice look in the house, and pillows give a personal touch to a space. So try buy bigger pillows, as they highlight the space and gives it dimension. So pillows are really good. There's square pillows, there's fluffy pillows, there's textured pillows, there's velvet pillows. So you can choose any type of pillows or scatter cushions that you want that will make your space feel alive, or will set it aside and give it that personal touch. So that's why I really love pillows. And try and get these all of these things at reduced prices, or rather don't splurge too much, because you are still testing the waters with your apartment. So with pillows, I'd advise to go for discounted pillows, but if they're really good quality or really good material. So like these ones, I got them at Mr. Price Home, both of them for 60 Rand. It was a good deal for me because I can absolutely use these anyway in the house. They had gray, they had blue, but still the same patterns. So that's what I go for, and I don't really like buying something that I know I'll be changing in the next 3 months, you know, and buy it for like 200 Rands. I know there are people who buy pillowcases or pillows, scatter cushions for like 200, 300 Rands, but personally for me, that's not cool. And yeah, like pillows like this, I got this discounted for about, I think it was 40 bucks. And the velvet pillows at the back, I got these at the hub, and you actually bought 2 to get 1 free. So that's what I do, guys. I really try and save every penny, every Rand that I have. So yeah, and also try going visiting stores like at home. They usually have really discounted prices on scatter cushions and pillows, and I saw scatters for about 100 Rand, and it's really good quality, really good brands. I really love them. So that's my tip for you. So the last tip of the day is storage. I know when you are renting, storage is very limited because most apartments don't come with extra storage, so you need to actually find a way to keep things properly placed, and so you need to find a way to place things in a proper way. I found this amazing storage boxes. They sell them at Miniso. This is the store. It's a Chinese shop. I know maybe a lot of you guys know the shop. It sells really nice things for the house, hacks and everything. So this folds up. So this is how this is. It folds up, it opens up so that you can keep it and, you know, put it in a shelf. And when you need to use it, you can just open it up and use this. And it's a storage box. So this is really affordable. I got this one for like 69 Rand at Miniso. And yeah, I was really happy with it. And this other one, I actually got 2. This is quite big, and you can also fold this one as well. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. So done. And when you open it, you go bam, and then you put like this thing over here, and there we go. You have a cute storage box which you can use for anything, and you can close it up. And so this basically is everything, guys. So yeah, I got this one for 100 Rand at Miniso. So that's it, guys. I'm just gonna go back and give you the tips one by one again. So the first one is to get side tables. So there's 3 tips in the side tables. The first one is upcycling. Make sure that you are able to upcycle your furniture, and you can be able to take it with. These side tables were just brown and wood, so I painted them white. I used marble paper on top, and they look amazing. I can still be able to paint them again. And yeah, so this is the first tip: to get side tables. You can use them almost anywhere in your home and use them for different things as well. The second tip, you guys, is to add some color. And to add some color, you can use pillows. Pillows give a personal touch to your space. I don't know about you, but I love some comfortable pillows that really soak me up. So these are different textures, different colors, different fabrics. The third tip, guys, is to use trays. Don't be scared of trays, guys. They are really necessary in each and every room of the house. You've seen me use trays almost anywhere, in the bathroom, kitchen, bed, anyway, guys. So trays are really affordable, and you can use them anyway, because they really give you a more put together look when it comes to your decor. You can just place items together that look good together and have a really nice looking space. Tip number 4, you guys, is having storage, and these are the storage boxes I was telling you about, and these can be used anywhere. If you are creative, you can even use these as bookcases, because if I can be able to put this here and put books inside of it. So storage boxes, storage is really important, and these are the solutions for storage, you guys. And you can also pack them away when you are moving. This is going to save you money, and it's going to give your place a personal touch, even when you are renting, because obviously it's not your own, and you need to make it feel homey and more inviting for you, you know. So these are the things that you can do to get your space looking like your own, guys. And yeah, just keep on pushing until the day you buy your own place, and then you can basically do what you want with it. And also, these decor pieces also help when your home is not painted. Specifically with the tables, it adds some color because the walls are not painted, and you know, you have to request and all of that, and it's taking its own time. And all these things, guys, you can basically use them anywhere in your home, absolutely at any time, and mix and match them. Just by having these items, I can redecorate my home over and over and over. So I hope you guys like this video, and I hope I've given you some really good advice on how to choose or pick items for your apartment and the space that you are in. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and also share this video, guys. I know most of us are renting, and it's a difficult challenge to try and make the space your own when you don't really own it. So these are ideas on how you can make your space feel like your own, and also declutter your space and make it really look good and affordable at the same time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.